Introduced in 1984, the W124 became the definition of German engineering. A sedan designed with precision, durability, and timeless class. From businessmen to taxi drivers, everyone trusted the W124 because it could do one thing better than almost any car of its era. Millions of kilometers, brutal weather, rough roads, it handled it all without losing its identity, and that still feels solid decades later. Even today, many call it the greatest sedan Mercedes-Benz ever produced.
So there we have it, boys. As I mentioned in the previous video, guys, the new project, the W124 230E. A lot of you guys have been messaging me and commenting that you guys are excited, and some of you even have some of these cars, so it's actually quite a cool thing to see. So you guys are going to help me build this thing. As I mentioned, there is a problem with the car not starting. I more or less know what the issue could be.
Here I come.
We have put in a new fuel pump, and lastly but not least, I still need to throw in fuel in the tank to hopefully get it started, because before it just kept swinging. So I'm not sure why is it doing that. If you guys have any ideas, please let me know down below. What could be the problem? Is it the Jetronic system, which I have no clue about, but we'll figure it out, guys. Like, there's one thing I believe in: if it's made by man, it can be fixed by man. So yeah, guys, the interior of the car, there's so much things in here which we need to clean out and get this car looking good again. As you guys can see, there's parts laying all over. The interior is not so bad. I'm not sure if the wood's supposed to be as cracked as that, but hopefully we can somewhat get that looking new again. I actually kind of love this interior with the grey and the wood. It reminds me so much of the 46's interior. The headliner, I don't know, guys, is this a flex or what? Because there's no sagging headliner. And I know some of you need to go and get that fixed. We do need a new rear view mirror because this one's gone. I'm not sure, guys, what happened to the armrest of this thing. Do you guys think we should just delete the complete thing or have the armrest back installed back into the car? So as you guys can see here, there's so much going on. There's so much dirt. This complete engine needs a complete detailing and cleaning, and we do have a problem here, guys. The first problem which we need to sort out or replace is the radiator. We have a Bluetooth radiator. I'm not even sure how the flop that got water inside. There's still some rat droppings down there. Luckily, not all wiring has been eaten through. I know I did see one comment for me to check the wiring, which I did. Thankfully, there's nothing really eaten through besides this here. So yeah, boys, first things first, if I can just show you guys. Yes, this is the one thing I actually love about this car, is the way the bonnet opens. It's so cool. It gives me like E30 vibes, which I think is so gangster. It's so cool. I just wanted to show you guys the state of this motor. Like, look at all of this. I am actually thinking about an engine swap for this car. Something kind of cool. I'm thinking V8, but I don't know. But at the same time, guys, you guys let me know, because I am trying to build this car on a budget. I don't want to go extreme. I actually want to show you guys that you can actually yourselves build a show car on a budget. Anything is possible, so I'm sure we are able to actually build this on a budget. So yeah, I've also taken out the cowl just to get rid of all that droppings. Like, they were all stuffed inside that cowl, which is why it's inside the car. That's thanks to me. So yeah, guys, that's basically it. The W124. As you guys can see, we have to figure out all this wiring mess. I think most of it is brittle, so I can't just say it's the rats that cause it to break or whatever. Oh, look at this, guys. Oh my goodness. Okay, this is the first thing we need to replace too. Well, looks pretty okay. It's not as black as I would expect it to be, but yeah, it's somewhat okay. So I do think first thing first, guys, is to get this car running, so that the next thing we can do with it is get a full detail. I want this engine bay to be fully cleaned, including the interior and the whole exterior of the car, and maybe get it looking new again. So yes, guys, little story with this car. This car was apparently running before. Apparently there was an issue with the timing, and they just needed the timing to be set right so that the car could fire up properly. However, the mechanic they took it to messed up the car further.
Oh no! Oh no!
So I don't know what's going on, but we are gonna figure it out, guys. That I know for sure. So yeah, maybe it could even be like these small wiring. Okay, guys, now we're going to clean up as much as we can in this car. I think that will be a good starting point. Before we actually get started with the motor again, hopefully in the next video this car will be running. So let's get to cleaning, boys. Clean out, boys. Let's go, Papi Chulo, you bitch nigga. So there we have it, boys. Most of the stuff is sorted. It's bad. It just does not belong to this car. For example, this. I think it's for newer model Mercedes-Benz. If you guys need one, if you guys do need this, let me know. $500. Okay, so as I mentioned, we tried changing the fuel pump on the W124, and before there was no fuel coming towards the front of the engine. After changing the fuel pump, we started receiving fuel to the engine. However, the car still would not start. It would start if I threw in fuel by the air filter box. So that tells me that the spark plugs and everything is in working condition. However, there's still a fuel problem. Even though there's fuel coming into the front, there's still no startup, which could only either lead to a fuel pressure issue, the fuel injectors, and these systems are so complicated. But for now, guys, I hope you enjoyed. I will update you guys in the next video with the W124. We are currently at a car meet with the boys, kind of chilly, and the meet is freaking insane turnout. Boys, where we at, boysons? Where we at, man?
At Boxbird.
Boxbird meet. Let's go.
What up? What up?
What's up, boys?
What an insane turnout, man.
Guys, please ask Jose why is he not uploading.
I have my reasons. I've been trying to make one, but we'll see.
For
6 months. It's been like 7 actually. I'm joking.
Exactly. So guys, you see, one more video than us guys at 1,000. So I think after he gets to 1,000 subs,
Yeah, then I'll start posting.
you guys will be getting 2 videos a week, every week for 365 days a week.
Oh my days.
Yeah.
Every day.
Every day.
Hell no.
Come, let's make a bet.
Okay.
You do Vlogmas for 1 month.
1 month, yeah.
1 month, whole every.
Yeah, vice versa.
Not far.
Okay. If you're watching us, you there. Hey.
Be there.
beware.
We went back that side.
I thought you guys went because someone takes
Good
the
job.
We were thinking when you're gonna come this side, you guys are gonna go that side. When you go that side, you guys are gonna come this side.